Hey friends, I'm Jenny. Welcome to Gardening with Creekside. My husband Jerry and I own and operate Creekside Nursery here in Dallas, North Carolina, a family-run garden center where we grow plants, build gardens, and share real-life happenings with you. Here on this channel, you'll find practical gardening education, seasonal planting tips, pruning tutorials, greenhouse production, trusted plant varieties, and behind-the-scenes nursery life. But more than that, you'll hear me say this often, there is grace in gardening. Gardens don't demand perfection. They teach patience, resilience, and a beauty of trying again. Whether you're a brand new gardener looking for confidence or a seasoned plant lover wanting some fresh inspiration, our heart is simple. We want you to grow, bloom, and thrive right where you are planted. So whether you're gardening in a big backyard or a tiny little porch pot, there's always room here at the gardening table. So get comfy, grab your gardening journal, and come grow with us here at Creekside Nursery.